The Logan Paul vs Mayweather fight hasn't even happened yet, but regardless of the outcome, Logan Paul has already won.
One night, got your hat. Got your hat.
No, not because his brother pissed him off with stealing his hat. But watch until the end of this video and I'll reveal to you exactly why I feel as though Logan has already won. Now on paper, without the history of their boxing fights, Logan Paul has the upper hand. He is 18 years younger than Floyd. He is 15.24 centimeters taller than Floyd and has an extra 4 inches within his reach and weighing in at 30 pounds more than Floyd unless he wants to pay a fine of $100,000 for every pound that he is over 190 pounds. However, Floyd Mayweather, he's arguably one of the best boxers the sport has ever seen, with his famous 50-0 professional boxing record. But his last pro fight was back in August 2017. Now Logan Paul, on the other hand, within the YouTube world, has also a famous record of 0-1 after losing to the British YouTuber KSI in November 2019. Now comment down below to let me know who you think will actually win this fight on Sunday. But it's quite clear, to me at least, that Floyd has a lot more experience. And with 5 world champion belts under his name, he feels pretty confident that this is going to be a game for him. He even stated that he doesn't need to bring his A game, his B game, or C game. He can bring his Z game and still win the fight. Now this week he also said,
there's a difference between YouTube boxing and elite boxing and elite fighters, so you guys will see the difference.
Now obviously, Logan Paul seems to think that he has a fighting chance. But on Logan Paul's podcast, Impulsive, he had Mike Tyson on a few months ago, where Mike was asked a few questions around the fight, and his response was,
Logan Paul, Floyd Mayweather. Let's talk about it. 2021, it's a couple months out.
Floyd's a bitch ass.
You don't think there's an opportunity to land a big punch on Floyd?
Let me tell you something about Floyd. This is what I don't like about him either. No matter whatever we say about him, and it could be true, but he's in that gym.
So you don't think there's an opportunity to land one big shot or a couple big shots?
He might let you hit him a couple times to make the show look good.
Oh my! So what am I, a charity case for Floyd Mayweather?
No, you're not charity. You're challenging him. You're a man. There's always a danger when 2 men go in the ring. Anything can happen.
Boom. That's all I need to hear.
but the interesting fact now, why I think that Logan Paul has already won this fight. And it all comes down to recognition and money. Yeah, for sure, Money Mayweather is going to come out this fight with a lot more money in his pocket. Initially, when the fight was put forward to Mayweather, he claimed to not even know who Logan Paul was. But
Man, actually, when they first came to me, told me, if you guys want to talk to me about the fight, bring me $1.5 million. They brought me $1.5 million cash. When they gave me $1.5 million, I said, let's talk.
now this is the business mindset of Mayweather.
And we're gonna do the fight, the fighting exhibition in my boxing gym. I said I can make somewhere upwards of 20-25 million doing it in my boxing gym. But then I thought about it. I strategized, got with my team and said, you know what? Let's do this in the Raiders Stadium. Miami said, we're doing it in a heartbeat. We're doing it at the Hard Rock Stadium now.
Why on Sunday?
Because just strategy. Super Bowl, Sunday. All-Star game, Sunday. Different award shows, Sunday. WrestleMania, Sunday. So you know what I said? I'm gonna go on a Sunday. I'm gonna do something different. I'm set for life, with or without this fight. I make millions every month, with or without this fight.
So with that in mind, the estimated earnings of this fight comes down to Mayweather expected to take home around about $100 million from a $10 million base salary plus 50% of the pay-per-view takings. Whereas Logan will be receiving $250,000 as a base salary plus 10% of the pay-per-view takings, estimated to be around $20 million. Now with Mayweather having 7.8 million followers on Twitter and 26 million on Instagram, and Logan having 6 million followers on Twitter and 19.5 million on Instagram and 23.1 million on YouTube, this means that in order to hit the predicted earnings, they would only need 4 million fans between them to pay to watch the fight, which obviously is easily doable. But the reason why I think that Logan has already won is because essentially in the boxing world, he is a nobody, but he has managed to land an opportunity of a lifetime to fight one of the world's greatest in the sport. And by Logan taking on this fight, he is in the running of making the same amount of money that Floyd would have been able to make if he was to fight a professional boxer right now for a title. Now the other winning aspect for Logan Paul is that he's still so young. I mean, he's only 26 years old. So by fighting one of the best boxers in the world, he's opening up his fan base to a whole new avenue of fans, whether he wins or loses. Now there is a lot of publicity that also comes along with fighting Floyd Mayweather. So regardless of the outcome on the fight on Sunday, Logan will definitely gain a significant amount of additional followers, which will help him out on a business level when looking at his social career.
There's always a danger when two men go in the ring. Anything can happen.
Boom.
If a miracle does occur, and he manages to win the fight, a whole lot of new doors are going to be open to this 26-year-old, who will for sure be sitting on cloud number 9, as long as Floyd doesn't knock him out and he ends up sleeping on that cloud. And that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now after the fight on Sunday, I'll pin a comment below to let you all know what the outcome of the fight was. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, head down to that red button and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell as well so you get notified when my next video comes out. And always remember to like the video, comment down below and share with your friends and family. Peace and love to all of you. See you on the next video. Bye.